Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. As you know, we are discussing chapter number 4, that is reproductive health. In that we are discussing birth control methods, population explosion and birth control methods. We have discussed about birth control method, that is natural or withdrawal method and barrier method. Today we are going to discuss other methods, that is intrauterine method. Intrauterine devices. Let's start. This is another effective method called as intrauterine devices. These devices are inserted by doctors or expert nurses in the uterus through vagina. These intrauterine devices are presently available as non-medicated intrauterine devices. Example, lips and loops. Copper releasing intrauterine devices, copper T, copper 7, multi-load 375, and the hormone releasing intrauterine devices, that is progesterone, LNG20. IUD increase phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus, and the copper ions release suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of the sperms. Means ये डिवाइसेस पर्टिकुलरली कॉपर आयन क्या करता है, स्पर्म के मोटिलिटी को कम करता है और फर्टिलाइजेशन को चेक करने में हेल्प करता है, जिससे कि बर्थ कंट्रोल में हेल्प मिलता है. क्लियर. द हार्मोन रिलीजिंग इंट्रायूटेराइन डिवाइसेस इन एडिशन मेक द यूटेरस अनसुटेबल फॉर इम्प्लांटेशन एंड द सर्विक्स hostile to the sperms. IUDs are ideal contraceptives for the females who want to delay pregnancy and space between two children. It is one of the most widely accepted method of contraception in the world or in India too. Next one, that is oral administration, means खाने वाले. Oral administration of small dosage of either progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination is another contraceptive method used by females. They are used in the form of tablets and hence are popularly called as pills. Pills have to be taken daily for a period of 21 days, starting preferably within the first 5 days of menstrual cycle. After a gap of 7 days during which menstruation occurs, it has to be repeated in the same pattern till the female desires to prevent conception. They inhibit ovulation and implantation as well as alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent retarded entry of sperms. Pills are very effective with lesser side effect and are well accepted by females. Saheli, the new oral contraceptive for the females, contain a non-steroid preparation. It is a once week pill, means हफ्ते में केवल एक ही बार लेना होता है, with very few side effects and high contraceptive value. Progesterone alone or in combination with estrogen can also be used by females as injections or implant under the skin. This mode of action is similar to that of pills and their effective period are much longer. Administration of progesterone or progestogen estrogen combination or IUD within 72 hours of coitus have been found to be very effective as emergency contraceptives, as they could be used to avoid possible pregnancy due to rape or casual unprotected sexual intercourse. Next one, that is surgical methods. In that, surgery has to be done. Surgical method, also called sterilization, are generally advised for male and female partner, male or female partner, as a terminal method to prevent any more pregnancies. Surgical intervention blocks the gamete transport and thereby prevent conception. Sterilization procedure in male is called वैसेक्टोमी. मेल में यदि जो है सर्जरी करके ब्लॉक किया जाए, ठीक है, स्टेरिलाइज किया जाए, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वैसेक्टोमी. वाइल इन केस ऑफ फीमेल्स दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ट्यूबेक्टोमी. अब होता क्या है वैसेक्टोमी में? इन वैसेक्टोमी a small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied up through a small incision on the scrotum, whereas in tubectomy a small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. These techniques are highly effective but their reversibility is very poor. मीन्स जो है इनको रिवर्स फिर से जो है वो चाहते हैं कि हम फिर से जो है बेबी चाहते हैं तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता है. क्लियर? It needs to be emphasized that the selection of a suitable contraceptive method and its use should always be undertaken in consultation with qualified medical professionals. One must also remember that contraceptives are not regular requirement for maintenance of reproductive health. In fact, they are practiced against a natural reproductive event, that is conception or pregnancy. One is forced to use these methods either to prevent pregnancy or to delay or space pregnancy due to personal reasons. No doubt the widespread use of these methods have a significant role in checking the uncontrolled growth of population. However, there are possible ill effects like nausea, abdominal pain, breakthrough, bleeding, irregular menstrual cycle, even breast cancer, दो नॉट वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट, शुड नॉट बी टोटली इग्नोर्ड। मीन्स ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स भी आती हैं बर्थ कंट्रोल मेथड्स अपनाने के दौरान। तो क्या क्या हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया बर्थ कंट्रोल मेथड्स में? फर्स्ट वन दैट इज नेचुरल और विड्रॉल मेथड, सेकेंड वन दैट इज बैरियर मेथड्स। इन दिस मेथड मीन्स नेचुरल और विड्रॉल मेथड एंड बैरियर मेथड में किसी भी एक्सपर्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, मीन्स डॉक्टर या नर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। पीपल कैन यूज ऑन देयर ओन, बट आफ्टर दैट IUD इंट्रायूटेराइन डिवाइसेज में एक्सपर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है। क्लियर? ओरल पिल्स में भी जो है बहुत एक्सपर्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, इंजेक्शन में होती है, स्टरलाइजेशन में होती है। क्लियर? We will discuss medical termination of pregnancy in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.